Hello everybody, today I'm going to be addressing another really popular topic, a popular question. And even though the question seems simple, the answer is a little bit complex. So let me explain what the question is. The question is, if you as an injured worker, if you accept a workers' compensation settlement, are you then prohibited from suing your employer? So essentially people want to make sure that they're not kind of screwing themselves out of a lawsuit, being able to sue their employer or insurance carrier if they take a workers' compensation settlement. The reason why the answer is a little bit complicated is because it has everything to do with the concept of jurisdiction, which people a lot of times don't understand, and that's okay. So jurisdiction really has to do, and I'm simplifying it, hopefully this is understandable, it has to do with which type of court can handle your case. And I have addressed similar questions before in other videos, but the difference between those topics and this topic is the prior videos addressed whether you can sue your employer if the insurance carrier accepts your workers' compensation injury. And this video addresses whether you can sue your employer if you accept a workers' compensation settlement. And the answer is yes and no. Like, yes, you can sue, but it's not going to be successful. If you sue your employer in Superior Court, and if the injury itself is related to your work, then it doesn't matter whether you accept a workers' compensation settlement or not. You're not going to be able to sue in Superior Court. And that is because a workers' compensation injury is the only type of court that has jurisdiction over those types of injuries is the Workers' Compensation Appeals Board. That's it. So you may as well accept the settlement rather than not accept it, hoping that by not accepting you can sue in Superior Court. It's not going to work out. What's going to happen is that your case in Superior Court will get dismissed because your injury is a workers' compensation injury, and so the proper jurisdiction is not Superior Court, it's the Workers' Compensation Appeals Board. So I know that can seem a little bit complicated. It is because the exclusive remedy to a workers' compensation injury is through the Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, and if you want to know more information about that, I suggest that you look at my other video that I did on this, which I will add right here. And there's nothing that a judge can do to change that. That is legislative, and it's been around for a very long time. So that might not be the answer that you want, but the good news is that you know that you may as well accept the settlement. Don't reject it in the hopes that you can sue in Superior Court, because it won't work out for you. All right, everyone, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next one.